Everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on the Python strings. Strings in Python, uh, here we can do string slices. It is immutable. The string functions and methods and the string modules. These are going to be the today's topic. String is a sequence of characters. String may contain alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Usually, strings are enclosed within a single quotes and double quotes. Strings are not changeable in nature, so we call it as immutable. And the example is A is equal to hello world within the single quotes. We can also give double quotes. We can enclose the text in the double quotes. In Python, we can have the string enclosed in single and double quotes. Inbuilt string functions. Python mainly contains three inbuilt string functions. They are length, maxim, and minim. Length is used to find the length of the characters in string. The min value is used to return the smallest value in a string based on ASCII values. And the max is the largest value in a string based on ASCII values. What is ASCII values? How ASCII works in a computer system? ASCII works in a computer system for American Standard Code for International Information Interchange is something that we follow for the global um, character representation. For each character representation, we have a decimal value to get communicated to the machine level interpretation. Example for inbuilt string functions: name is equal to input, enter your name, print welcome name. We have the other print lines. This is how we can print the string, and this is how the output is. This is the strings concatenation. We can concatenate two strings by using the operator plus. Um, this is how the programming lines has to look like. Uh, we have concatenate the string a plus b and stored in C, and we have printed C. So it has concatenated the two strings stored in A and B. The concatenate strings with the multiply operator can create multiple concatenated copies. Um, Python into 10 prints 10 Python. String slicing operation is used to return or select or slice the particular substring based on user requirements. A string of a segment of string is called slice, and the syntax for that is string variable name. Start and then the end has to be given for the string slice. So this is how the string slice example. We have these the codings. Strings are immutable, means it's not changeable. The strings once generated, you cannot change any character within the string. So key string comparison, we can compare two strings using the comparison operators such as equal, uh, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, or equal to, greater than, or equal to. Python compares strings based on their corresponding ASCII values. Example of string comparison: we have green stored in string S and black stored in string 2. To check if it is the both the strings are equal, we have used double equal to which is the equal to checking operator. And we have greater than and the less than. This will be operated based on the ASCII values, and we have the output printed. String formatting operator. String formatting operator modulo is unique in strings. Example: my name is modulo S and I secure percentage D marks in Python. So this will output something like this. The values are replaced. So this is how the formatting operator works. String functions and methods. These are the string functions or the methods that we use in the Python. Converting string functions, capitalize lower, upper titles, uppercase, and replace old, comma, new. This is a sample program. We have used all these string methods and how to do the operation. We have input a string stored in str. We will be using the dot operator for accessing the methods capitalize lower upper etc, and we have printed the values. Formatting string functions: center, justification to the left and right, and then the format items. So a program for center, left justification, right justification with the values we need to specify. Removing white space characters. For that we will use L strip for leading white space characters to remove, for R strip for trailing white space characters to get removed, and strip for the leading and trailing white space characters to get removed. And this is the output. We have a variable a dot the L strip, R strip, and strip. So this is testing string and character methods is returns true if all the characters in the string are alphanumeric and there is at least one character. Returns true if all characters in string are alphabetic. Returns true if string contains only number character. Returns true if all strings in string are lowercase characters. It will return true if all the characters is uppercase. It will return true if the string contains only white space characters. And the same dot operator will we use that we can access the functions. String modules contain a number of functions to process standard Python strings. Mostly used string modules are string dot upper, split, join, replace, find, count. This is the example program explaining. This is the output. Hope you enjoyed the today's session. Let's meet in an interesting concept in Python in the next class. Thank you all.